This little packet of roasted chickpeas, $2. This can, 92 cents. Healthy snacks are cool, but cheap healthy snacks that don't take that long to prep, even cooler. This recipe is super easy. You can make them a million different ways. Start it off by simply draining and rinsing your chickpeas. You can make however many cans you want. I usually like to make 3 at a time, and that pretty much fills a standard baking sheet. Once those are rinsed, you want to take out a hair dryer or torch and dry each one individually. No, not really, I'm joking. Seriously, don't do that. All you have to do is dump them on a baking sheet, optionally lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Give them a quick pat dry, or don't, it really doesn't matter. Now most people will season them before the oven, but they come out way crunchier by putting them in first and seasoning them last. So throw those in the oven on 400 for 35 minutes. Halfway through, move them around a bit. While those are in the oven, we're gonna prep a couple different seasonings. Like I said earlier, you can make them a million different ways, and that begins with this part. All you need to remember here is that you need at least 1.5 tablespoons of oil per can used when mixing with seasonings. This could be sunflower oil, avocado, peanut, like I'm using today, olive oil. It's completely up to you. Next, you want to choose your favorite seasonings or experiment, make a couple new ones to try. Here's 3 of my favorite. Olive oil and 1.5 tablespoons of a spicy barbecue rub. Olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic seasoning, 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, and a little salt. Olive oil, and 1.5 tablespoons of a ranch seasoning mix packet. Speaking of packets, those little mix packets down your salad aisle work awesome for these. You could make your own too, but I'd imagine not everyone has or wants to buy all of the ingredients needed. All right, after you've got those ready, just want to toss your chickpeas around in them until they look like they're evenly coated. Use 1 seasoning for all of them, or break it up like we did today with 3. You can't eat them yet. Toss them back in the oven on 400 for another 15 minutes. You'll get something like this. Delicious, macro-friendly, and more than affordable. Don't forget, I always put the calories and portions in the description below. Let me know what seasonings you guys come up with or use in the comments. I'm gonna give away a recipe book to what I think is the best suggestion. With that said, thank you guys for watching. Help this channel out a ton by giving it some engagement with a comment or a like. Subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already. And of course, stay healthy.